Hey y'all, I'm about at my wit's end today. This is the third time I've tried to record this. Lord give me strength. I'm gonna get through this. I'm gonna talk to you about this guy right here and why the heck it's torn down so far. The customer complaint, when he was trying to drive forward, reverse, it was kind of herky-jerky. Sometimes it wouldn't go at all. After a little bit of troubleshooting, realized we've got a belt issue back here. The only way to get this thing properly fixed was to remove the body, because if we would have dropped the transmission, yeah, we could have gotten to these components, but we wouldn't have been able to see the linkages in action and to monitor the travel upon repairing this and diagnosing it. So this is kind of the best way. 2019 John Deere here, so it's a shame it's only 6 years old, and that probably would have lasted a lot longer had the belt been put on correctly. So primary issue number one is this adjustable assembly has failed. The reason it failed is because this drive belt was installed incorrectly. This drive belt is routed on this side correctly, and I got a pulley removed back here, so disregard. It's supposed to run behind this. This is where it was running. So it was constantly against this spring under tension the entire time. And you can see the groove that has been melted into the back of this belt and worn. And the spring has also shrunk, and the comparison is unreal. I'll show you the pop-up on here. So that's the new spring on the left, and here's the one on the right. That spring has gotten so hot it has let the temper out of it. So what that does, there's a cap that holds on here, little guy right there. There's a belt that goes right in between these two sheaves here. Okay, so you've got this, not that little guy here, he's just in my way causing problems. Come on, Johnny. So this is where this is supposed to travel, right here. Well, this spring has failed. So what's happened is whenever this is able to travel, there's not any tension left to push the belt back down to make it ride outward. So from all that heat being on here, not only has it limited the spring's ability to keep tension on this pulley so you get your full speed range, but it's also melted the pulley here and softened it. And this is a plastic slide in here as well, so plastic on plastic. Smart idea, Deere, but I guess that's what they do when they try to make things cost friendly for folks. So either way, this is hemming up on here. It's got a lot of restriction, so not only is the spring not doing its job, but this doesn't slide freely. So Deere sells this as an assembly. It's not too bad. Go with the factory part. You can buy an Amazon one anywhere between 20 and 50 bucks depending on who makes it. But if you get this from Deere, yeah, you're going to be 130, 140 bucks in, or whatever they charge in your local area there. But you're going to be putting the factory part back in here. And you could argue they're made by all the same junk companies, but Deere, they do make their own parts still, even if they are for the entry-level tiers or lower tier non-commercial stuff. You don't want to be back in here later to fix a part that you bought because you felt like being cheap. So we had to take all of this off, because if I would have dropped the transmission, all my linkages would have been off. I wouldn't have been able to see this stuff in a static situation to make sure that my linkages are working properly, my springs, whatnot. So this is the easiest way to do this. The console comes off and then the body comes off. It's not rocket science. Maybe about an hour and a half to get all that stuff off of there. It is what it is. So here's where we're at. We're gonna get it back together and I'll show you afterwards, but this is what I've got for now. Alrighty, here's a quick rundown of everything put back on. Belt running on the right side, spring on the sheave working how it's supposed to, belt sitting beautifully. So we're gonna show you how this thing goes back together real quick and then a little test drive.